Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in this video, we'll be discussing about ad creatives in Facebook ads. So without any further delay, let's get to know more about ad creatives. Okay, so for learning more about ad creatives, we have come to the official documentation of Meta. You can see over here, improve your ad creative, grow your business. Okay, so if you want some tips, then you can click on this link. Then if you want ad inspiration, then you can click on this link, and if you want tools, then you can click on this link. Okay, your ad creative is key to performance. In today's evolving ad ecosystem, your advertising creative is the key to capturing your audience's attention, reaching new customers, and lowering advertising cost. Better performing creative can lower cost across multiple advertising objectives. 90% lower cost per link click, 21% lower cost per website conversion, and 27% lower cost per app install. So if your ads creative are good, then you can get this advantage. Okay, perfect. Then you can see over here, try this ad creative tips and tricks. So they have given us some tips and tricks for ad creative. So if I select video, then you can see over here, building an effective video doesn't require expensive equipment and an editing team. Create a video that drives results with these quick tips. Okay. So they're suggesting to create vertical videos. Vertical videos take up more space on mobile screens and are more likely to capture customer attention. Start optimizing for video ad formats such as reels and stories by filming vertically in a 19 into 16x aspect ratio. You know, you can also use Meta Ads Manager media cropping tool to customize your 1916 videos for other placements such as feed and in-stream videos. Then they're suggesting highlight your message in the first 3 seconds. Okay, showcase your most important message, a new product, event details, a special offer, or a popular service. Within the first 3 seconds of your video, include your logo or company name to make your business more memorable. For the best result, keep your ad copy under 300 characters. Place copy near the center of the video to fit within safe zones. Use an emoji in the caption. Okay. Then next tip is uh, okay, make your video entertaining, relatable, and digestible. Okay. Follow these 3 tips to keep your customer engaged with videos that are entertaining. Ask a question to encourage people to watch until the end. Relatable, show the day-to-day process of running your business by sharing behind the scene footage. And last one is digestible. Use text and audio to make it clear what you're promoting and what you want your audience to do next. So you can see over here, this is the preview of uh, this section. Make your video entertaining, relatable, and digestible. The next one is experiment with sounds. Okay, use sound as a delightful addition to your videos, whether it's a music, voiceover, or sound effect. When creating a video or reel for an ad, make sure that you use original sounds that you create or download royalty-free tracks and sounds effects from Meta Sounds collection. Okay, so if you want, you can click on this link. Okay, click on this video actually. Then the last one is put a face to your business. Including people in your videos helps potential customers relate to your business. Don't be afraid to put yourself, a member of your team, a spokesperson, or even your customers in your videos to sell the story behind your brand. Reels ad with a human presence had a 25% higher CTR than those that did not. Okay. Campaigns with lower production value also drove higher ad recall than campaigns with higher production value. So focus less on perfection and more on being relatable to your audience. Okay. So you can see over here, this video, they are showing their faces. Okay, this is really effective. So these are the effective tricks for video ads. So if I click on photo, then they will also give us some recommendations. So you can see over here, capturing professional photo isn't always necessary. Try this ad creative best practice to level up your photos to drive better result. So first tips is frame for mobile. Avoid horizontally cropped images which fill less of the screen as your customers are scrolling through their feeds, and stick to aspect ratio of 9:16 for reels and stories and 4:5 for feed post. Try to have a single focal point for your image to draw customers in. Next one is focus on the product or service. Try to use images that have the product as the main focus point. Consider cropping and cropping or editing existing images to create this focal point. If you are advertising a service and not a product, ensure that you are clearly explaining the value proposition, i.e., what you are offering. Okay. Then next one is use high resolution image. High resolution images look best on our platform and can be cropped to multiple formats. Most mobile phones capture high resolution images that will work for your photo ads. So you can see this is the preview of high resolution image. And the last one is keep it simple. Avoid including too much text on your image, which can make the ad look cluttered and may affect performance. Okay. Then the last one is the basics. So basics is actually uh, usable for both images and videos. Okay, so you can see over here, use both image and video ads for better results. So they are suggesting to use both images and videos in our ads. Okay, you can see over here, combining multiple ad types in your campaigns, such as images, videos, and carousel ads, can help you reach more of your audience. Try a mix of 3 to 5 images or videos highlighting your business and multiple versions of your headlines. Then they're suggesting highlight your brand. Remember, a brand is not just your logo. It can also be your color plate, uh, typography, or even your product. Consider featuring these elements to showcase who you are. Then the next one is skip expensive production. Try ads shot in an unpolished style using your mobile phone. In a recent meta study, campaigns with lower production value videos drop a significantly higher lift in ad recall compared with high production campaigns. And the last one is keep copy focused and clear. Okay. Use clear and concise messaging and explain your value proposition. Also, make sure that there is a clear action for your audience to make from your ad. Try asking questions, sharing promotions, and keeping the text under 280 characters. Okay. So you can see over here, looking for a new apartment fast. Okay. So you can ask question in the ad copies, tour our listing virtually and apply today with no deposit or fees. Okay. So this is the uh, clear and focused ad copies they're using. So you can use them. So this is the very useful doc. So I'm going to share this doc file in the video description so that you can learn about the best practices of our ad creatives and improve your ad creatives, and you can grow your business. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can use ad creatives in our ads and improve our ads and grow our business, So hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.